Hi guys, I'm just showing you how to make a pour medium today. I'm starting with Taubman's Easy Coat Doors and Trim in neutral, and it's gloss. When this dries, it's clear. The pouring medium I wish to make is 3 parts of the Taubman's to 1 part of this Jo Sonja Gloss varnish. So 3 to 1. So whether you want to use mils or grams, it doesn't matter. So say 150 mils of the Taubman's and 50 mils of the Jo Sonja, or 150 grams of the Taubman's and 50 grams of the Jo Sonja. So I'm just labelling my jar so I know exactly what it is. Pouring medium, 3T for Taubman's to 1 Jo S. Okay, so next I'm taking off the lid. My little scales. Now I put the jar on the top, turn it on, and then zero it out so it takes off the weight of the jar. Next I'm going to add, I've decided to do 150 mils of the Taubman's or grams, so I'm going to pour that in. So just checking it's still on 0. And then goes the Taubman's neutral. It doesn't matter if you go slightly over or slightly under, just so long as it's close enough. Then I zero it out again, and I'll add the 50 grams or 50 mils of the Jo Sonja Gloss varnish. Okay, I'm just adding it slowly so I don't put too much in at once. You can't take it back out if you put too much in. Nearly there. That's close enough, I think. And then I'll get a popsicle stick, or you can use a plastic or silicone spoon, and you just need to combine it well. This does create a few little bubbles, so I usually make this up in advance, and just mix it really well. Scrape down the sides, scrape off the bottom, and I'll show you the consistency in a minute, but it leaves a small trace for a couple of seconds and then disappears down, a small mound as it falls from the stick into the pouring medium below. And what I wanted to make this up for was to make the painting that you saw at the start, and I wanted this to create waves and ocean down the bottom, so I wanted it to be clear or transparent. So this is why I was making it up. So there you go.